This is the room of my brother. I'm here in Bohol kaya. This is the room of my brother. We have 6 siblings. 5 girls and only 1 boy. Our youngest siblings is boy. That's why this is his room. I'm using his room while I'm here in Bohol. Hi sis Mer, Migalab Shouty. Sis Mer, watching sa video mo sis Mer. Thank you so much, Wisoy. Last December siya nag-50. Sige lang, kain ka lang dyan. Uy, nag-stock up dito. Dito ako nakatingin. Akala ko wala nang nagko-comment. Yung pala, naka-stock up lang pala to. My God, where are your glasses? What a beautiful eyes you have. I don't use my glasses now. I don't use my glasses now. The avid camper, Migalab shout out. Ma'am Josepina, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ma'am Josepina. Good afternoon, Sis MR. Thank you so much kaya. The comment here on my phone in front of me is freeze. Thank you so much, Bisoy. Kuya Leb, naka-freeze ang comment. Kaya pala sabi ko wala nang nagko-comment, wala nang nagmi-message, wala nang nagko-comment, wala na akong bisita. Yung pala nandyan pa pala kayo. Kung hindi ko pa titingnan dito, last comment kay Wisoy. What did you eat? I make a salad. This is my dressing. Greek yogurt. Plain Greek yogurt. And then I have carrots. I have apple. And I have cucumber. And this is it. I'm eating salad. And then my dressing is that is tawag nito. This is my snack. Kuya Lib, naka-freeze talaga dito. Iisa ang comment, naka-stack up. Ayaw niyang gumalaw. Anong gagawin ko nito para gumalaw naman to, Kuya Leb? Ayaw niyang gumalaw eh. Kaya ko iniwanan niyo na ako. Nandiyan pa lang pala yan. Dito na lang ako magbabasa. Kasi dyan sa harap ko, wala na. Nag-stack up na siya. Hindi ko alam, naka-stack up to dito. Hindi siya gumalaw, Yung last comment, si Wisoy pa. Kaya wala akong binabasa kasi dito ako nakatingin sa sa harap. Sa cam ko, wala na Si Wisoy lang yung last comment, Yung pala, ang dami-dami na. May mga pumasok na pala. Hindi ko pa kinuha ang phone. I'm here in Bohol. Having, vacation. This is my mother's home. Will there be Bohol videos? Yes. The screencast last other day. Ang taas ng views ko sa screencast ko, naligo sa dagat. Umabot ng 21K. Dito hindi kasi nire-refresh ko. Dito kasi sa cam ko, hindi ko alam kung paano i-refresh ito. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-refresh.